Hello there and welcome back to the Jack-O loot boxes. My name's David.
My name's Leon.
We are the Jacksons. This is round 3 as the Popcultcha Poplandia 36 box mystery box. We've opened 2 of them so far. Leon won the first round. The second round we both had £71 each. So all I can go for is a draw now. So set yourself away, son. You got it out?
The Flash.
The Flash, Leon, that looks pretty cool, that.
It looks like it's
Gold, blue, chrome Flash. Good start for Leon. £4. Ha ha!
Good start for Pop, though.
I know, son.
Not value, though. I had a cheeky look at this earlier.
Here we got the Raptor.
From Jurassic Park.
That's pretty cool, that, Leon. That's really good, that. The Raptor, Leon, is coming in at £13.
This is not looking good for me.
Art and music one, Leon. Green Day. What's he called? Mike Dent. I'll have a look on here for you, son. £18, that one.
This might just save me.
Who's that, Leon? It's from Young... I can't even pronounce it. Cannot pronounce it. I'm not even going to give it a go. Leon, that's coming in at £26.
That and the music one might save me this time. That's 2.
I've got 2
Michael
left, Leon.
Myers.
Michael Myers.
From Halloween.
Leon, that's coming in at £18.
I like this one. Last Pop from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Are you joking?
This one's damaged.
April O'Neil. Is it damaged, son?
Yep, corner.
Oh, it is. It's got a bit damaged, that one.
Still a good pop.
Oh, it's only one with damage. April O'Neil, son. It's coming in at £19. Are you joking?
The last 3 might have just saved the round for me.
Saved it, Leon. It's absolutely amazing. Leon's box is worth £93. I've got no hope.
You've got to pull off some good ones here.
I've got no hope, Leon. I think we've probably nearly trebled. I'm telling you, I reckon we've trebled. I'm just going to undo my box and get the 6 out, and then I'll do one at a time.
Like
we have Captain Marvel.
You got the strange one.
That is canny cool, that, Leon.
Sadly, we've got no what
Captain Marvel. That's coming in at £7. I have Voyage Mona. 217.
Ouch.
I can't find that one, son.
Goes with the rest. £21.
£21. Better eyesight than me.
Well, I am younger.
Weapon Hex Infinity Warps.
I've
like
got
that, Leon.
the...
What number is it? 865.
I've got the Sorcerer Supreme. I might just take this one. Complete one of my sets.
Coming in at £12.
I might have one.
You're looking good, son.
Nah. Let's keep them through.
Ben Watt, Parks and Rescues. Let's have a look at you, son.
£7.
£7. It's not looking good for me, son. I'm at £47. I need to basically get £50 out of these pots. Game of Thrones, Glow in the Dark Special Edition, Ice King. I'm keeping that, son.
No, I'm keeping that.
That's absolutely mint. That's only coming in at £7. So I'm on £54, son. I'm not going to get it out of this. We've got Pete from the Fallout Boy. And Pete out the Fallout Boy is coming in at £7. So I've got £61 versus 93. Leon, you've got a candy stock of pops there and pop in front of you, haven't you?
Yeah.
So all together, Leon's box was £93 Mine was 61. But all in all, this Funko Pop box that we got from Popcultcha, it has a total of £475 worth of value for 150 quid. Leon, that is the best mystery box we've ever got so far off Popcultcha. What's your favourite pop, son? You've just got a pile in front of you to choose from, haven't you?
Yeah.
Loads. Well, thank you for watching our unboxing and our 3-part video. My name's David.
My name's Leon.
We are the Jacksons. Have a nice day now. Ta-da.